ready to transform your Retell Lecture scores from average to outstanding. The key to acing the Retell Lecture lies in understanding the scoring criteria and building a strategic approach. Firstly, grasp the core elements: content, pronunciation, fluency, and lexical resources. These are the pillars upon which your score is built. Step 1. Active listening and note-taking during the lecture. Focus intently, jot down key ideas, supporting details, and any examples. Your notes are your primary resource. Concentrate on capturing the essence because you are creating a summary. Step 2. Efficient note-taking techniques. Implement techniques such as mind mapping, keywords, or abbreviations. This allows you to quickly capture, organize, and retrieve information later, keeping your notes clear and structured. Step 3. Structuring your response. Utilize the following framework. Begin with an introduction stating the lecture's topic, then present the main points, elaborate with supporting details, and conclude with a concise summary. Step 4. Perfect your speech. Pay very close attention to pronunciation and fluent delivery. Speak at a natural pace, and keep your tone steady. You have less than a minute to retell the lecture, so be succinct and coherent. Step 5. Practice and refine. Practice on a regular basis. Record yourself to assess your performance, analyze your responses, and identify areas for improvement. With consistent practice, you'll undoubtedly see those scores soar.